Did you know that 80% of young Nigerians right now are making a lot of money? In fact, most of the millionaires or top rich people that we have right now in Nigeria are the young ones. And you may be wondering, how are they making money? That is what I'm going to be sharing with you today on this video. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacinta. I'm a real estate investment expert. On this channel, I talk everything about real estate investment and general financial advice. So if you love to grow your income or love things about investment and real estate, you definitely need to subscribe. Now, over time, I've noticed that a lot of young Nigerians are really making money. And guess what? Most of them are living largely and doing so well for themselves. Now, you may be wondering how or what are the ways they're using to make money at this particular age. Now, the first way they're using to make money is through skills. Skills like video editing, content creation. The other day, especially on TikTok, I saw a lot of, in fact, I've watched a couple of them that started by creating content. And over time, they have moved from one bedroom or from one single room down to living in their own apartments or owning their own houses because they started creating content. Content creation is another skill that is paying heavily right here in Nigeria, especially to young Nigerians who are maximizing this skill. Most of them, when they start creating this content, brands start reaching out to them and then they start making money from them. Also, the apps they are using to create this content, in turn, also pays them. That is how they get to make money. Another skill that is also paying young Nigerians right now in Nigeria is video editing. I saw a guy that was telling me how a certain company was paying him thousands of dollars just to edit their videos. All right. And also copywriting skills. I saw a lady, what she does is that she does copywriting for some companies and she's earning in dollars. And they are all right here in Nigeria. Another skill that is also paying is the social media management skill. Some young Nigerians are managing some brands, social media pages, and they get to be paid in return. And these are different skills that are paying highly right now in Nigeria. And some young Nigerians who have discovered this, they are tapping into it greatly and making a lot of money, especially in content creation. All right. So if you're a young person looking for the next skill to learn, I bet you is no longer in going to learn any handmade skills again. It is now in these tech skills, in tech skills like content creation, video editing, social media management, copywriting, and the rest of them that I can't even mention. These are ways people are making money. These are ways young people are making money. And if you learn it, you become so high in demand that you also be making money. I have a friend who started creating content, or she started shooting and editing videos. And today, she's a personal videographer to one of the state governor's wife right here in Nigeria. And she follows her around, travels with her in different countries, and she gets paid hugely. So these are ways that young people are making money right now in Nigeria, which many people have not discovered. So you need to discover it. That is why I'm not gatekeeping it, because I see that it's working. So all you need to do is to go and start learning. And these days it's not hard. All you need to do is just to model what people are already doing, find out what works for you, and start doing it. If you just start creating videos and posting it, from there, you grow and get better. So yes, skills is the one way most young Nigerians are making money right now. Oh, this one cannot be left out. Young Nigerians are also making money in tech, through tech. A lot of tech startup companies have made a lot of money, either by people sponsoring them, and as well, they get to grow over time with their tech companies. Then the second way, remember, I'm telling you two legit ways young people are making money right now in Nigeria. The second, I've told you the first one, which is through skills. Then the second one is through assets. So many young Nigerians are making money through assets. Assets such as stocks, real estate, mutual funds, bonds, and even businesses. A lot of people own shares in different businesses and they're making money at the end of the day. So many young Nigerians too are owning stocks, and at the end of the day, they're making money. And also, they own real estate. Real estate can never be overemphasized on how it has helped people to build wealth over time. And that is one of the major key ways people are making money right now in Nigeria. For real estate, whether you are selling it or you're owning it, you are definitely making money. If you are selling it, you are earning a commission. Imagine selling a house of 250 million naira and you earn 5% of it, and that is like 12.5 million naira on a platter. Then imagine you are owning the house. If you put it out for Airbnb, could be renting it out for people, and every single day you are getting alert or you get paid by people to use your apartment. So these are different ways people are making money right here in Nigeria. Then the last way is through real estate investment trust. This is where they co-own properties. So many young Nigerians right now are going into co-ownership. This is where they co-own properties with other people and they get to earn dividends at the end of a certain period of time. And Landvest does it better right here in Nigeria. With Landvest, when you co-own properties with them, at the end of 6 months, you are earning 16% interest. And at the end of 12 months, you are earning 37% on your amount. And there are documents to back up this investment. So if you are wondering what are the legit ways I can do right now as a young person to earn money or to make money, you need to go into these two things I've talked about. Number one is skills. Learn video editing skills. Learn content creation skill. Learn marketing skills, right? Because if you're good with marketing, you can sell real estate. Then number two, through assets. For young Nigerians are making money through assets like stocks, real estate, and the rest of them. Now, if you want to get started as a young person, you want to get started with real estate, either by selling it or investing in it. All you need to do is to call or WhatsApp me today. And if you want to start Landvest, where you could own properties with other investors to earn 16% and 37% respectively on your income, they as well need to call or WhatsApp me on 081-4704-2804. Let's get you started. So until I come to your face again, see you in the next one.